Best free AI tool stack for productivity. I've tested almost every free AI tool out there. Here's the problem. Most people use all of them wrong. They jump from app to app, hoping one tool fixes everything. It won't. Not one tool. Ever. What works is a stack. 5 tools. 5 jobs. Working together. So in this video, I'm giving you my exact free AI stack. What to use, when to use it, how it fits together. No fluff. Number 47 tab tool list. Just a system you can copy today. The real question. Stop asking, what's the best AI tool? That question keeps you stuck. Ask this instead. What's the best tool for this job? That one shift changes everything. The problem. Here's what's really happening out there. People collect AI apps like bookmarks, dozens of tabs, dozens of tools, no system. Others go the opposite way. They pick one tool and force it to do everything. Both waste time. Productivity doesn't come from how many tools you have. It comes from each tool having one clear job. That's the whole idea behind a stack. The framework. Here's the stack. 5 layers, 5 jobs. Search. Find answers fast. Thinking and writing. Turn ideas into clear words. Execution. Turn ideas into real output. Knowledge and memory. Save what matters so you stop repeating yourself. Automation. Kill the repeat work for good. 5 layers. That's it. Once you see AI this way, picking tools stops being confusing. Let's go through each one. Layer 1. Search. Every task should start here. Use Perplexity, Gemini free, or ChatGPT free. Perplexity runs as a free answer engine. Gemini free costs nothing from Google. ChatGPT free covers everyday lookups from OpenAI. This layer is for troubleshooting, comparing tools, and getting unstuck fast. Outlook acting up? Comparing 2 tools before you commit? Start here, not because it thinks for you, because it gives you a faster starting point. Layer 2. Thinking and writing. Search tools fetch information. This layer shapes it into something usable. Use ChatGPT free, Claude free, or Gemini free. All 3 handle writing, editing, and everyday work. All free. This is where messy notes become a clean summary, where a rough email becomes one you'd actually send. Layer 1 finds the answer. Layer 2 makes it sound like you. Layer 3, execution. This is where AI stops chatting and starts shipping things. For code, use GitHub Copilot free. 2,000 free completions a month. For slides, use Gamma free. Free to start. For testing AI ideas, use Gemini, Google's free assistant for quick answers and drafts. This layer is about output you can hand off. Code, slides, docs, tables, real deliverables, not more conversation. Layer 4, knowledge and memory. If your tools forget everything the moment you close the tab, you solve the same problem from zero every time. NotebookLM stands out here, a free research partner that works from your own sources with citations built in. ChatGPT free and Gemini free also handle file-based work well. Use this layer for meeting notes, saved fixes, and reference material you'll need again. This layer protects your progress. Layer 5, automation. This is where the time savings compound. If a task repeats more than twice, stop doing it by hand. Start with Make free, up to 1,000 free credits with a visual builder, or Zapier free, 100 free tasks a month. Use this for repeat emails, form handling, and simple data workflows. The goal isn't complexity. The goal is less boring work, permanently. The stack in action. Here's what this looks like on a normal day. A user reports a problem. You search it with Perplexity or ChatGPT free. You write the fix with Claude free or Gemini free. You execute the output with Copilot, Gamma, or Gemini. You save the knowledge in NotebookLM, so you never solve it from scratch again. And if it keeps happening, you automate it with Make or Zapier. Problem, answer, output, system. That's the stack, start to finish. Recap. Let's make this simple. Need answers? Search layer. Need writing? Thinking layer. Need output? Execution layer. Need memory? Knowledge layer. Need leverage? Automation layer. You don't need every AI tool that exists. You need 5 tools, each with one job. Closing. Here's the real takeaway. Productivity doesn't come from using more AI. It comes from using the right free tools in the right order. So start small. Pick 1 tool per layer. Test it for a week. Drop what doesn't earn its place. Now tell me, which free AI tool do you use most right now? Drop it below. And tell me which layer you want me to break down next. That's part 2. If this helped, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.